How do polar communities manage waste in remote environments? Imagine living in a place where the cold never seems to end and every trip outside is a challenge. Now, add the task of managing waste in such a harsh setting. That's the reality for many communities in the polar regions. These areas face extreme cold, long distances, and fragile ecosystems, making waste management a real puzzle. Their solutions are smart and carefully planned to protect the environment and keep living conditions safe. First, waste is sorted very carefully at the source. People separate recyclables, hazardous materials, and general waste right where it is generated. This helps reduce the amount of waste that needs to be moved out of the region. Open dumping and burning are mostly banned because they can harm the environment. Instead, waste that cannot be processed locally is shipped out to facilities on the mainland or other places with proper disposal systems. In Arctic mining and industrial sites, waste is stored in hermetically sealed containers. These containers keep waste secure and prevent contamination from snow, water, or soil. They are then transported by trucks or planes to landfills or recycling centers for away. This method stops leaks and pollution at the source. Some Arctic towns are starting to build recycling and waste processing plants. These facilities use modern technology like optical sorting and compacting machines to maximize recycling, even in cold weather. But building and running these plants is costly and tricky because some areas can only be reached by air during certain seasons. In Antarctica, waste rules are even stricter. All waste except sewage and food scraps must be removed from the continent. Waste is shredded or compacted to reduce volume before being shipped. Hazardous waste and recyclables are sent to specialized facilities in other countries for safe disposal or recycling. Portable drum crushers are used to reduce the weight and size of waste from remote field sites. This helps save fuel and reduces environmental impact. Many Arctic nations are working together to improve waste management. They focus on sustainable solutions like incineration with energy recovery, reuse, and recycling. These projects aim to create systems that work well despite the tough weather, long distances, and small local markets. Community attitudes also matter. Education and community involvement help increase recycling participation and reduce illegal dumping. In the end, polar communities manage waste through careful sorting, secure storage, transportation to specialized facilities, innovative technology, and international teamwork. These methods help them overcome the challenges of extreme cold, isolation, and environmental protection, keeping their regions clean and sustainable.